Dude, okay. We're off on another haul. Leaving Ramona right now. I've got my people out here. This is pretty nice. Bye, guys. GCD, good content there. All right, later, guys. Bye. Yeah, that's right, great people. All right, my favorite people sending me off on my haul. That's what I'm talking about. We're about to head on up to Northern California real quick. Right now it's 7:50. We gotta make it up to,
in a quarter mile, turn left onto Arena Way.
Our estimated time of arrival is 4:22 and we gotta be there by 7, so I got no time to sleep. We're about to mob this 8.5 hours. All right, we're up here in Elk Grove, California. We're gonna deliver this bike. We got it all unstrapped, all ready to go. Just gonna do a quick inspection. Well, I'm here enjoying my semi-morning coffee on the bay here in Alameda. I'm supposed to be picking up a little sailboat here that looks very similar to that. And I was here for like an hour, and apparently the text didn't go through. My phone calls didn't go through to this gentleman. So I went to go get food, and then as soon as I leave to go get food, he texts me and he's like, "Hey, let me know when you get here." I was like, man, I've been there, you know. I went to go get food, so I'll be back in a little bit. So now we're here waiting for them to bring out a little sailboat, and should be light enough to roll it on here. And apparently the mast is longer than 20 feet. They told me that the sailboat was 20 feet long, so I just brought the small trailer today. But apparently the mast is longer, so we're gonna figure out how long that is and figure out how to get that on there. But
I'm gonna push forward.
yep, ready. Yeah. So I'm trying to pull the most I can here.
Yeah, I hear you.
But this mast, it'll get to a spot where we can stop right there.
Okay.
So, yeah, we're gonna go forward. I'm just gonna steer it to the side here. It'll be a little bit sideways on the train.
Sounds good. You steer, I'll just provide pressure.
Yeah, probably something just like that. Is that where you plan to take it out, of San Diego? Sell it?
Yeah, leave it there and then import it to Mexico.
Oh wow, okay, nice.
Yeah, final destination is gonna be Puerto Vallarta.
Oh wow. Do you drive it down or put it on a ship to take
No,
it?
I ship it somewhere, yeah. It's a much more longer way than here from San Diego.
For sure, yeah.
And it's not that safer to drive. Like certain areas, especially like Sinaloa and all those, like no thank you. You only drive domestic here in California? Yeah, that's very good.
I'm working on getting my passport right now, so when I get it, I definitely want to drive up to Alaska or Canada.
Alaska, wow.
Yeah.
What's the most difficult product or thing you ever moved? Or not really, it's just like...
Nothing's really too much of a challenge for me. First thing that comes to mind is pets. I've moved a couple pets before.
Pets?
Yeah.
How big they were?
Some of them puppies, some of them kittens, some of them were older dogs and stuff. So, I moved some pets go to the bathroom, you know, they have accidents and stuff. But that's really the most problems I've ever had. Everything else is pretty freaking easy for me. Like, I know what I'm getting myself into for the most part. It's not like it's random stuff. So before I accept it, I'm pretty comfortable with it, that I can do it. So
That's great.
yeah.
And before you ship, how do you get the clients, or it's been all the time? By
No, U-Ship is actually where I started out.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a great platform.
It is, yeah.
I'm very surprised because the country is so big. Like, there are not too many users or offers.
Yeah. A lot of truckers tend to stay away from U-Ship because of the fees and stuff, but you gotta learn how to do it the right way.
Yeah, and it's very convenient payment. Everything is very secure.
Right, yeah. It's secure for both parties. Yeah. All right, we got the boat all loaded and secured. Got it all covered and tarped. Got the mast on. Got all the extra parts in here. It was easy peasy. The hardest part was getting everything secured and all these little lines and everything so that they wouldn't run into the tires, but got it on and we're good to go. Well, that killed about an hour of time. I was supposed to get that thing all loaded and get out of here by 12, but it's 12:50 now. So a little late start to the day. Still be able to get home by 9 o'clock, but I was hoping to get home by 8, but no worries, we're all good to go. Still gonna enjoy the last bit of my iced coffee. And yeah, hit the road, Jack. We're in Alameda right now, so we got 8 hours, 19 minutes down to San Diego. Let's get it. This sailboat, man, this guy's buying this sailboat for his first boat. I have no clue what he's thinking. All this rope, all this wiring. You should see the inside of the boat. How many freaking little odds and ends things that there are. This guy was taking like 100 pictures of everything to try and like remember how it goes, and I was like, dude, you're gonna be so lost, like so lost. Sorry, buddy. All right, good morning. It's a new day, new me. New tank top. This is my Daytona Beach one. You guys like? I made it myself. Alright, well, we're out here in San Diego. We're down in like lower San Diego. We're down in Otay. I don't normally come down this way. I never come to it. It's one of the only truck stops in San Diego as well. Looks like I never go to a truck stop when I'm in San Diego because usually I'm just close enough to go home. But at any rate, we're about 5 minutes away from the delivery of this boat, and I wake up and I notice I got a flat tire. So must have picked up a nail or something overnight and it slowly drained, so gotta get that bad boy swapped out real quick, put my spare on, go deliver this boat and get home. Oh no, my batteries are dead because my air compressor. Oh man, what a joke. Lucky me, I'm changing this tire the old-fashioned way. Oh no, I'm good. Oh yeah? Yeah. I had a flat tire last night. Last night? Yeah. I just figured I'd do it this morning.
look for another spot that's...
Oh no, I can. It's pretty light. I'm just gonna roll it off, and I'll roll it where I need to. You know, so I can put it straight. I'll put it straight. Okay, good job. Thank you.
Yeah. We're here in Outside to deliver the boat. Everything made it safe and sound with 0 issues. Just gotta get everything unstrapped and unloaded, and we'll be good to go. The tarp was coming off a little bit, so I put a few extra straps over the tarp to keep it down over the top of it, and then also tied, oh, I had an extra one there. There was where that one was, but I tied these strings, you know, and then put this strap here to pull this together, pull this down to keep this tarp on. But it was good to go. It rode great. I just unwrapped the first half, but figured I'd show you guys how I do this. I just use a simple little bungee cord on these guys to keep that stuff together, along with this with that strap strapped all the way around the front here. I did the strap in the front the same way as I did this one right here. Putting it on wasn't easy. Taking it off, much easier. Damn. I just used the excess strap after I tied this portion together with the ratchet. I used this extra strap here to tie this down and tie it back to this up front. Kind of like a 2-in-1 trick for a ratchet.
Let's see that in an instant replay.
Safely delivered. Doesn't get no better than that. Bam. Get all these extra parts, put them in here real quick. We'll be good to go. Alrighty, we got that boat delivered. It is hot already, even though it's only 74 degrees. I am sweaty, it's humid, but I got the rest of the day off. Only 45 minutes away from home. So I'm I go get some breakfast or something, and then go home, get cooled down, take a cold shower, relax, and then once I regroup, I'm gonna start editing some YouTube videos for you guys. So it's Thursday right now, so I gotta make sure I get a video out tomorrow, Friday at 5 p.m. every week for you guys. I'm a slave to it, so let's get it. But glad you guys are still watching my videos. Thanks again, guys. Later.
I gotta cover myself as well. I cannot buy that panel, and I'm
Then let me get the
80% sure.